Okay guys, so today I will show you how to do this bias corrected block bootstrap Mann-Kendall test. So I will show you step-by-step guide in R. So we will use a modified MK library. So let me share the screen first. Okay, let's dive into R. So this is the tutorial how to do bias corrected block bootstrap Mann-Kendall test. So Mann-Kendall, they have families of trend analysis. There's many type of modify Mann-Kendall test, and in this case, we will show you how to do this bias corrected block bootstrap Mann-Kendall test. This is one of the variation of the modify Mann-Kendall. So, or we can call this BBSMK test. So first you need to install the library. The library we will be using is modify MK test. So this is the modify MK test, and then we read our dataset, set working directory, and then read our dataset. So this is our data, just like the previous tutorial. We just read our working directory, and our dataset will be this one just now on CSDI. So this is our data set. So we have monthly data for CSDI, year, month, and 28 grid point actually. So from 1950 to 2022. So we want to run BBSMK test for each of these grid point, each of these 28 grid point. So after we read our CSV dataset, we just read again the column that we want to do the BBSMK test, which is column number 3, 1, 2, 3 until the end, until 28. So we just do and call that. So it will read from 3 until all the column. So, and then now we create empty data frame to store the result. So the result for BBSMK, we will have the column, which is from 3 to 28 grid point just now. And then we will have Z value, we will have send slope, S, P value, candle tau, and then we have this one, candle tau empirical bootstrap CI lower bound, candle tau empirical bootstrap CI upper bound, and then we also will have Z value empirical bootstrap CI lower bound, and then Z value empirical bootstrap CI upper bound. And then we will also do this trend label where we want to put after we run the BBSMK test, we want to know does the result is positive or negative. So if you just look at the modify MK manual, it's quite difficult to interpret the result, right? They have all of this value, but we don't know which one is positive, which one is significantly negative or something like that. So here I will prepare the trend label so that easy for you to interpret, is it significantly positive or not. So we do this one. So see, this is all the full code just now. Let me put it first, this one. Okay, so you can see you can write everything here. Result for data frame that we need. This integer length column to analyze, numeric length column to analyze. So most of it numeric length column to analyze. And then we perform CCSMK test. So for I in a sequence along column to analyze, we call the column to analyze the result as BBSMK that call. And then we result the FI column call. We result the F for I Z value. We give the column heading name, and then S for P value, and then candle tau result from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we extract all of this output from modify MK test just now. So the code, that function that we calculate BBSMK is here. So BBSMK that call. So we just we extract all the data from result 6, 7, 8, and 9 here corresponding to all of this value that we want for BBSMK. Now we determine the label. So if the result is p value less than 0.05, trend label. If else result 0, positive, negative, and if there is no significant trend, then the result will be empty. Okay, and then we do a trend BBSMK for CSDI. We export the result. So let's run this code. You can copy all of this code here. It's all here. You can just copy here, and this one also just now. So we run until column already. Now we create run here, run line of selection, and then we perform BBSMK function. Now it's run. Let's see how long it will take. If it's taking too long, we can just skip it into the result, because sometimes some of the method in that in this BB in this modify MK, it can take quite some time to finish. Like this one, I think it will take quite some time. So we can just go straight to the result. The result, this will run, it will finish, but it will take time. So, but the result will be train BBS for CSDI. This one. So that will be trained for BBSMK. This one. So we have the result will look like this actually. So you see all the result just now, right? We have column, Z value, sense slope, S, P value, candle tau empirical lower bound, upper bound, Z value lower bound, and Z value lower bound. So you will get this trend result. So here you will get the result which column will have significant trend. So we have column number 8 significant trend, column 14 significant trend, and column 20 for significant trend. It shows that there is a negative trend here for each of these grid point. So this column is actually is corresponding to the grid point that I have prepared. So you can map directly the trend level here, the trend level. So you can map it into your mapping to see which grid point is significantly negative or positive. So in this case, we have 3 grid points that show negative trend. So this is how you run. You see, it's still running because this method it takes time, because some modify Mann-Kendall it can take quite some time to finish, because I don't know, it's quite heavy. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching.